Every thriving community starts with the basics of power, water, and connection. They fuel families, power businesses, connect lives, and lay the foundations for a sustainable future. Foundations made stronger by Downer's Energy and Utilities. We are ever present in the community, representing our customers' brands in the field 24/7 to keep the lights on, taps running, and digital connections strong. As an integrated engineering and delivery business across electricity, water, telecommunications, and industrial services in Australia and New Zealand, we design, build, and maintain the essential networks modern life depends on. We're the leading provider of water and wastewater services across both countries. With a track record of innovation, efficiency, and customer focus, Downer supports more than half of Australia's population every single day. From generation to connection, we work right across the power chain, more broadly than any of our peers. We service power generation customers that supply 50% of Australia's national electricity market. We also have deep experience and capability in high voltage transmission line work. One of the only providers in Australia with a permanent in-house delivery workforce of linesmen, erection crews and engineers. And we maintain and operate more than 100,000 kilometres of electricity and gas networks that keep homes and businesses connected from cities to rural areas. We are also a leader in the telecommunications sector, with the core capability and technical expertise to support the evolution of mobile and broadband networks, building digital access for all. From today's essentials to tomorrow's renewables, we're ready. The energy transition is here, bringing with it a once-in-a-generation investment shift. With deep expertise in renewables, storage and network modernisation, and a supply chain and workforce built for scale, Downer is delivering the infrastructure of tomorrow. As populations grow and climate targets remain a priority, we're not just keeping pace, we're building the future today.